Hey there, fellow travelers. It's me, your guide to conquering those long flights with ease and maybe even a little bit of style. If you're like me, you know that the journey to new places can be just as important as the destination itself. But let's be real, spending hours in a metal tube soaring through the sky can test even the most seasoned traveler's patience. So, what's the secret to turning a long haul into a breeze? Well, it's all about packing the right essentials. I've journeyed far and wide, and along the way, I've discovered some game changers that have transformed my flying experience. From the magic of noise-canceling headphones to the comfort of a cozy blanket and pillow, I've got the lowdown on what to bring aboard to make your next flight the best one yet. But that's not all. I've also got some insider tips on keeping yourself entertained, fresh, and even how to stay a bit healthier up in the air. So, buckle up and get ready. I'm about to take you through my ultimate list of long flight essentials. Trust me, you won't want to miss this ride. Embarking on a long flight soon? Well, sit tight because we're diving into the ultimate guide to make your sky-high journey a breeze. From the roar of the engine to the constant bustle around you, long flights can be daunting. But fear not, with the right gear, you can turn that ordeal into a Cloud9 experience. First up on our list are noise-canceling headphones. Imagine flipping a switch and the world's noise fades away. That's the magic of noise-canceling technology. According to a study, reducing background noise can significantly improve passenger comfort. It's not just about blasting your favorite tunes, it's about creating your personal oasis of calm. And let's face it, in a cramped space like an airplane, a moment of silence is golden. Moving on, let's talk about getting cozy. Ever tried to sleep on a plane and ended up with a crick in your neck? Enter the travel pillow. But not just any pillow. We're talking about one specifically designed for travel. These nifty gadgets can mean the difference between stepping off the plane ready to explore or looking for the nearest chiropractor. Pair it with a lightweight blanket, and you've got yourself a first-class ticket to Snoozeville, even if you're sitting in economy. It's a simple trick that frequent flyers swear by. Now, let's tackle hydration and snacks. Airlines do their best, but let's be honest, airplane food can be hit or miss. And with the dry cabin air, staying hydrated becomes a challenge. Did you know the air in planes is drier than some deserts? That's right, the humidity can drop below 20%. This is why having a reusable water bottle is crucial. Fill it up after security, and you're all set. And when hunger strikes, having your favorite snack at hand can be a lifesaver. It's a small detail that can make your flight much more pleasant. Next, let's not forget about staying powered up. In today's world, our gadgets are our lifelines. From staying entertained to keeping in touch with loved ones, a dead battery is the last thing you need. That's where a portable charger comes into play. With most passengers carrying at least 2 devices, outlets can become a battleground. Having your own power source means you're always in the game. And if you're traveling internationally, an adapter is a must. It's one of those things you don't think about until you need it, and then it's worth its weight in gold. As we continue our journey through the skies, let's dive into more essentials that can turn your long flight into a smooth ride. After all, it's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about enjoying the voyage. Dressing for the occasion takes on a whole new meaning when you're thousands of feet in the air. Comfort is king in the confined space of an airplane cabin. Loose, breathable clothing isn't just a fashion statement, it's a necessity. The temperature on planes can be unpredictable, swinging from toasty to icy in no time. Layers are your best friend here, allowing you to adjust without fuss. And remember, those airplane socks aren't just cute, they're a safeguard against cold feet. It's a simple change that frequent travelers swear by for its impact on their overall comfort. Next up, personal care items. Ever noticed how flying seems to suck the moisture right out of you? The low humidity isn't doing your skin any favors, leading to dryness and discomfort. Packing a small toiletry bag with essentials like lip balm and face wipes can be a game changer. It's about feeling fresh and at your best, even when you're hopping time zones. And for those wearing contacts, giving your eyes a break by switching to glasses can make a world of difference. As one seasoned traveler put it, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Now, let's talk leg health. Ever get off a flight feeling like your legs have doubled in size? That's because sitting still for long periods can mess with your circulation, leading to discomfort and even health risks like deep vein thrombosis, DVT. Compression socks are here to save the day. They might not win any fashion awards, but they're proven to support blood flow and reduce swelling. It's a small investment in your health that can make a big impact, especially on those marathon flights. Entertainment is key to any enjoyable flight, but relying on the airline selection can be hit or miss. Ever found yourself on a plane without a working entertainment system? It's not fun. That's why downloading your favorite shows, movies, or books before you board is a pro move. With the average person spending over 3 hours a day on their devices, imagine the drag of staring at the seat back for hours. Your personal entertainment library can be a lifesaver, turning a boring flight into your own private movie marathon. As our flight continues through the friendly skies, we're moving on to some often overlooked essentials that can significantly upgrade your high-altitude experience. Remember, it's not just about reaching your destination but enjoying the journey there. Let's talk about the importance of an eye mask and earplugs. You might wonder, why bother? Well, imagine turning off the cabin lights and noise with the simple press of soft fabric against your eyes and the gentle insertion of foam in your ears. It's like having a personal off switch for the world. The fact is, sleep is elusive at 35,000 feet, with cabin lights flicking on and off and the constant hum of engines and chatter. But with an eye mask and earplugs, you're in your cozy bubble, ready to drift off to dreamland. It's a small, inexpensive addition to your travel kit that can pay off big in rest and relaxation. Switching gears, let's not underestimate the power of staying fresh. When you're confined to a seat for hours, feeling clean might seem like a luxury. This is where travel-sized hygiene products come into play. A quick swipe with a face wipe or a dab of hand cream can make you feel human again. It's amazing how a little refresh can boost your mood. And in the age of travel-size everything, there's no excuse not to pack a mini spa in your carry-on. As one travel guru put it, feeling fresh is feeling ready to take on the world, or at least the baggage claim. Ah, the joy of a good book. In our digital age, it's easy to forget the simple pleasure of turning pages. But here's a thought. Your flight could be the perfect time to dive into that novel you've been meaning to read. Why? Because a book doesn't run out of battery. And there's something about the act of reading, the smell of the paper, the feel of flipping pages, that's incredibly soothing. Plus, immersing yourself in a story is a fantastic way to make time fly. In the words of a famous author, reading gives us someplace to go when we have to stay where we are. Perfect for a long flight, wouldn't you say? Finally, let's talk health and safety. Today, flying feels different, and being prepared is key. Packing extra masks, disinfectant wipes, and hand sanitizer might seem over the top, but it's the new normal. Wiping down your tray table and armrests can give you peace of mind, and using hand sanitizer after touching communal surfaces is just smart. It's about protecting yourself and others, a small step for a traveler but a giant leap for travel kind. Remember, being prepared is not about fear. It's about respect, for yourself and for your fellow adventurers.